Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to look at 3 different things under the microscope. Enjoy! You can see that this is not the place I filmed our last video, and not much chemistry equipment is involved since all of those are in our other house that I can't visit due to the COVID-19 pandemic. But anyway, what's important is that we have the microscope and a few slides with all our specimen. To make things simple, get your slide, put your specimen in it, and then cover it with your cover slip. After that, prepare your microscope, fix your slide with your specimen in your microscope, and then you are ready for viewing. Let's start with a certain brand of probiotic drink bought from a local store. Next is sand from Boracay Island. Take note that we used a petri dish instead of a slide. Last is my own blood from a recent wound. While viewing my own blood, I noticed something strange. Look at this part. When I decided to find it again, it now looks like this. Very different from earlier, right? I'm not an expert in this field, so if you have an idea to what happened, I would definitely appreciate if you comment it down below. Anyway, thank you for watching. Feel free to comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions in mind. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.